Today I'm going to give you the 3 biggest reasons why digital marketing agency owners fail. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Mike Mancini, a digital marketing agency owner for the last 9 years. After starting and running my own agency and seeing where I struggled, as well as helping others start their own agencies, there are 3 huge reasons why people either stumble out of the blocks or never ever become successful when trying to start their own digital marketing agency. And the first one is a big one. Number 1, they stop trying to get clients after the first one. I've had a number of students go out and have amazing success literally their first week when trying to start their own agency. They go out, they do the work, they do exactly what we teach them, they go out and they land their first client. But the biggest problem that I see is once they land that client, they spend all of their time onboarding and getting ramped up and making sure that everything is absolutely perfect, but they stop going out and looking for new clients. And usually it's for a couple of reasons. One is they've had some success. They want to relish that, and I would encourage everybody to do that as well. But do that while you are looking for other clients. You just went out, you earned some revenue. You want to make sure that that revenue is going to be coming back month after month, so you have a job to do. However, when following our system, you can have a client set up and running within a few hours. After that's done, you need to let the campaign work, and you need to get back to work going out and finding other clients. Because you have to remember how you got there. You got there by going out and hustling and doing the work and going out and looking for prospective clients that you can help. You didn't get there by sitting on your butt waiting for them to come to you. And the agency owners that are the most successful are the ones that remember that. And while they're setting their campaigns up, they're also going out and hustling and trying to find more clients. The number 2 reason why agency owners fail is they kind of just sit there and they watch what they've built. And what I mean by that is they get a campaign going and they get it up and running, and then they sit there and they kind of watch the screen and they hit refresh. And then an hour later they hit refresh again, and they're waiting for something to magically happen. When you set up campaigns properly, they are designed to do their job, to go out and get leads for your clients. However, you sitting there watching the screen is not going to change that. And to be perfectly honest with you, I've done this before, especially when I was getting started, but I had to learn from my mistakes. I would sit there and watch it, and if I saw something I didn't like, I would change it. Or I would overanalyze and I would change it. The problem is you're not giving the campaign any time to work. You need to let the campaign do its job. You need to figure out where the holes are, and then you can go plug them. If you sit there and you try and overanalyze and figure out, all right, where are the holes before anything has happened, you are literally working against yourself. You need to set the campaign up, get it running, keep an eye on it, but you don't need to keep an eye on it every single minute of every single day. You need to literally let the campaign do its job and go back to what got you to that spot and go out and find more clients. The 3rd reason digital agency owners fail is they expect referrals to pour in once they already have a client. Referrals are absolutely fantastic. They are pretty much the easiest way to get new clients. However, you need to understand that once you get a new client, it's going to take some time for you to show that client that you know what you're doing, that you can get them leads. You're not going to turn their campaign on and then they're going to refer you to 5 other people. And to be honest with you, that's not top of mind for them. What's top of mind is them hopefully getting leads from what you've done. And once that happens and they are happy to refer you, you also need to understand that, let's just say somebody says, hey, Mike is great at his job and you should hire him. That other business owner has other things on their plate as well. I may not be top of their list, but even though their best buddy told them to hire me, that may be something that they'll look at in the future, but it's not always top of mind. I've had literally people say, so-and-so referred you to me 6 months ago or a year ago, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So if you're sitting around and waiting for referrals, you need to stop doing that. You need to get back on and start going and doing what you did to obtain those first clients. Now, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Tip number 4 on why digital marketing agency owners fail. And number 4 is they spend all of their time getting ready or analyzing. So we've had this happen to some of our students where they literally will go into a course and they will consume every single piece of that course, making sure that when they get clients, they are ready. But our course is designed to go through step by step. So after you get a client, you can follow the step-by-step numbers and go through and set that client up correctly. There is absolutely no reason for anybody in this industry to be like, okay, well, how do I do landing page optimization? That doesn't matter. Well, it does matter, obviously, down the road. But right now, when you are getting started, that doesn't matter. Because if you don't have any clients, you are not optimizing landing pages. You don't need to know how to do that yet. And they will sit there and they will try to consume every single thing to be like, you know what? I just need to be ready. I need to be ready for when this happens. The problem with that is things can change. So possibly, let's say you go out and you learn how to do that landing page optimization, but by the time you get a client there, maybe that process has changed. So you spent all that time learning about it and not necessarily going out and getting those clients. And believe me when I say that has happened to me. I have definitely suffered from analysis paralysis throughout different times throughout my career. But what made me successful is I stopped doing that. Somebody pointed that out to me. I went back and said, you know what? How did I get to this point? Oh, I went out and I followed my steps to get more clients. Once that happens, everything else will take care of itself. And even if it doesn't, you have income coming in where you can pay somebody to go do that for you if that's what you choose. So these are just some of the things I teach in my course, Ads Agency Unlocked, where we teach you how to start a Google Ads agency. With that said, we are also adding a new series of modules to not only show you how to start your own Google Ads agency, but how to start a digital marketing agency where you can offer a plethora of services to clients to not only, one, get them in the door at a cheaper price where you can sell them your Google Ads services later, or two, get them on a recurring monthly revenue stream and offer them some amazing value to help them get new clients. That is going to be added into our Ads Agency Unlocked training over the next couple of weeks. So if you're thinking about it, make sure you check that out. There's a link in the description area below, as the price for that course will probably be doubling in the next couple weeks. So if you like videos like this on how to start your own digital marketing agency, please do me a favor. It really helps us out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that little bell icon so you'll be notified of when we release new videos, as we will be releasing a lot of them over the next several months. All right, so what did you think? Do me a favor, let me know in the comments section below on other mistakes that you see new digital agency owners hit. I'd love to hear about them, and I might even use one of those as a topic for a new video. So thanks so much for watching. Over to the right-hand side, you will see some other related videos on how to start your own digital marketing agency. I really appreciate it. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.